Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your AMA Waterways River Cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful AMA Serena. Now we're currently in one of the suites here on board. This is the top category on the ship. I'm going to go through the space and review the amenities here in just a minute, but keep in mind, when you're ready to book your next river cruise with AMA Waterways, make sure you reach out to HarTravel. We are your river cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We've sailed extensively with AMA, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, an AMA Waterways River Cruise is both immersive and highly inclusive. You're going to have a variety of excursions to choose from each and every single day at no additional cost, whether you want to go hiking, go for one of the bike rides with their incredible guides, or head on out and explore all the classic museums and cultural spots. AMA's got a perfect option for you. In addition to that, you'll be able to have beer and wine at lunch and dinner each and every single day. Of course, you can grab a mimosa at breakfast at 2 at no additional cost, and they'll have their classic sip and sail happy hour before dinner each night, where you can have a nice cocktail. Now, in addition to all of that, you're going to get to experience the amazing crew and really turn this floating boutique hotel into your home away from home. Now, we've started off right here in the living room area, and the suite itself is 65 square feet bigger than the larger twin balconies here on board, so you really do get to spread out. Now, space comes at a premium on a river cruise ship, and AMA's done a great job with the space here in this suite. Now, as we head into the bathroom, it's one of the big differences that you can see from the other room categories here on board. Now, you've got your shower right here. I'm 6'6". I'm a really big guy. I actually do fit just fine in here. So you're gonna have the waterfall shower head up above, the adjustable shower wand here, those upgraded bath amenities, and a nice nook for bath amenities as well. You've got the toilet tucked just behind, and then over here you're gonna find a large double vanity. Plenty of storage underneath. You have storage up top here, more of those upgraded amenities. You have your magnifying mirror to the side and a European plug. Now, I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the space. Now, one of the big differences that you almost never find on a river cruise is this beautiful large soaking tub. It's actually even big enough for me. You're gonna have the adjustable shower wand there in addition to the bath filler. And what I love about this is you can imagine heading out and exploring the beautiful city of Vienna or Amsterdam, coming back and having a nice soak before you head to dinner. Now, to the other side of the door, you're gonna find your temperature controls here. You've got your mini fridge just tucked just underneath, and you'll have 2 European chargers here. It's the perfect charging station. You've got storage with the shelves here, and as I open this up, you're gonna find you have a good size safe. You're also gonna have those extra comfy AMA Waterways waffle bathrobes and slippers that you can utilize throughout your time here on board. Then they have a couple extra blankets and quite a bit of storage. There's a floor to ceiling mirror tucked in the corner to get ready here. And then as I open this up, you're gonna find all of that hanging storage. Storage all the way across up top and down below. Another floor to ceiling mirror to get ready. And then you'll have 2 umbrellas that you can utilize during your time here in Europe. Now, tucked in the corner, you're gonna find your writing desk, which also doubles as a vanity. So you have another European plug there. You also have a multi-use plug that can be Euro or US. And then you're gonna find that you have a MacBook Pro. Now, as a suite guest, this is something that you can utilize throughout your time here on board the ship. You've got a chair here just below. It's that perfect place to get ready before you head on out. And there's 2 lights up above as well. Now, I did wanna point these out. So you're gonna have a lot of included tour options, as I explained earlier, and this is what you're gonna utilize to listen to your guide. There's some of the best guides in the entire industry, and what's really cool is with the AMA Waterways sign, all you have to do is tap this on the sign of your specific guide. It's gonna sync you right up, and then you can utilize the complimentary earphones as well to enjoy the tour experience. Now, one little tip, I always like to bring my own earphones. I find them to be a little bit more comfortable because they're, well, mine. Now, right here in the middle, you've got 2 chairs. This is a really nice spot where you can sit and relax. And you can see here, it's ready for arrival of guests here in just a bit. You've got a wonderful bottle of bubbly on ice and some fresh fruit choices. Now, as we head over to the bedroom, you can see the bed is together in a large bed configuration. You're gonna have those upgraded linens and pillows. They've got really nice, fantastic feather pillows and plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your things away completely. This is where you can store the big bags and they're completely out of your way. Now, keep in mind, if you're traveling with friends, you can also have them separate the bed into 2 twins if that's your preference. In that case, the nightstand would move to the middle to get a little bit of separation of space. You have reading lights on either side of the bed, and then you're also going to have reading lamps, and every room will have an alarm clock. Now directly across from the bed, you're gonna find this iMac that actually doubles as your television. You'll have a remote control so you can sit here in bed and watch the television. But of course, what you're gonna wanna watch is those incredible views out the side of the room. Now this is in the twin balcony configuration, which means you're gonna have a large French balcony. That's gonna be right next to the bed, so you can open that up to get the fresh air, and of course open the curtains to get the beautiful views. And then because it has a twin balcony, you're also gonna have a step out balcony as well. Let's head on out and see what that's all about. So now we're out on your private balcony. You can see how this provides the best of both worlds. You have the French balcony inside, the step out balcony here where you can take pictures and you can just sit, relax, and enjoy the world as it goes by, all of the amazing iconic sights, and right here from the privacy of your own balcony. Now you've got 2 chairs and a table. It's that perfect spot for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or if you just want to come out, snap a few shots, this is that perfect spot. Now, when you're ready to book your next AMA Waterways cruise, make sure you reach out to Har Travel. We are your AMA River Cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with AMA Waterways, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.